Hi everyone, welcome to a quick tip video. So this is a new thing I'm starting. So I got this question the other day that I wanted to address. The question was, how do you access Cricut Design Space if you've never accessed it before? So great question. The first thing I want to let you know is if you do buy a new machine, you will get step-by-step instructions in the box. But if for whatever reason you don't, or you want to set up a new product and you're not quite sure, I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide on how to do that. So let's go. So what you want to do is head over to cricut.com and it'll bring you to this page. You're going to go to the top right corner and click on Design. And it will give you an option so I have a Mac, but it'll give you an option to either download or open. I've already downloaded mine, so I can just click open and it'll bring me to Design Space. But if you haven't before, you can click download and that will just download in the left corner. So I'm going to open the app. It'll check for updates as usual. And then I don't have to log in with new details as it's already registered. But if you did want to download it, you can go back to that page, click on download, and that will just download in the left corner. So you can do this when you either get a new device, if you have multiple devices and want to register a new one, so you can have different design spaces, or if you've just never used a product before, you want to check it out, you can also download it. When you're in there, you can also either buy Cricut Access, so that will give you, I think it's $9.99 per month, and that will give you multiple designs you can use. But as I don't design anything on there, I design it separately. I don't pay membership to that design. I'm not going to download it because I already have one, but that is how you access Cricut Design Space. Hope you enjoyed that. Let me know if there's any other quick tips you want me to answer related to Cricut or anything else. Otherwise, I'll see you next time. Bye!